In a sun-drenched meadow, 4 cows graze side by side, a picture of serene unity. The breeze whispers through the trees as the cows continue their peaceful meal. Unseen, a tiger lurks in the forest's edge, his gaze fixed on the oblivious cows. His eyes gleam with predatory calculation, a stark contrast to the cows' peaceful existence. In the forest clearing, the once united herd of cows are scattered, their isolation amplifying the sense of unease. Tension hangs heavy in the air, their wary glances betraying the crumbling unity. A sudden burst of aggression shatters the calm as one cow violently shoves another. The brief skirmish highlights the growing discord, their bonds fraying under unseen pressure. Concealed within the dense undergrowth, the tiger observes the cows with cold, predatory satisfaction. The forest echoes with amplified sounds, the rustling leaves and bird calls now a harsh symphony of impending doom. As dusk descends, the forest's edge is bathed in the dying embers of sunlight, and a lone cow stands silhouetted against the horizon. From the shadows, a tiger emerges, his eyes burning with predatory fire as the air crackles with impending doom. In a moment of solemn sacrifice, the cow offers herself, her voice trembling. "I offer myself as a sacrifice, so my friends may live." With brutal finality, the tiger responds, "So be it." The forest echoes with the sounds of a brutal feast, a tragic testament to disunity.